like wolves. Adam Eve with the fruit. Why we need new? Only got 2 seats. Why we need new coupe? Only got 2 feet. Why we need new shoes? Papa need new shoes. Baby need new shoes. I'ma need new shoes. Birkenstock 50 G's, new shoes. Metro got boom. Wanna eat like you. Pearly Jesus pieces. What would Jesus do? Rocky, why they wanna be like you? Metro, why they wanna be like you? Hello, why they wanna be like you? Magazine like you. GQ, yeah, I'm G like you. Don't smell like P like you. Switch it on, we about to make a move. Got a green light too. On a G like 5. Watching green like slide. I'm a G like slide. She like me right now. Hands off. Show your diamonds, have a dance off. Show your weapon how to stand off. Popping on the handstand with a pencil. Mama told me go and get it. I was tryna get a ticket. Commas and some digits. Been thinking about it for a minute. You looking at a lieutenant. I said it glue on the pendant. She couldn't even finish a sentence. Everyday money get printed. We the one they wanna be. Like the letter after A. I bought my new C. Chanel. Then I took her to the D. Let's go.
In a whip that you never seen. He got bullets and glass in the summer season. Let me guess, it cost you like $100,000. Now little bitch, it cost 7 days. I'm doing what you do in your dreams. I fucked your bitch pussy Vaseline. These bitches always want capture me. Hating ass nigga turn me to me. Fuck all y'all bitches like 10 of me. On the real, it was just me and me. You don't know how tall your girlfriend is. When we saw her, she was on her knees. I can't be talking about me. That's why we live with the people right in they greedy. I know he's sick of my money, cause every time he calls, he's incarcerated. In my left right pocket, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. I can make a whole time, watch this, watch this. I can make a bitch one stop, watch this. I can make a bitch one stop, watch this. I ain't even drop no songs, I stay with a whole lot. In my left right pocket, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. I can make a whole time, watch this, watch this. I can make a bitch one stop, watch this. I can make a bitch one stop, watch this. I ain't even drop no songs, I stay with a whole lot. Watch this, what's some options, stop. All these drugs, you fucking with my conscience. Pay for my hood, but you still want some options. Time on track, fuck niggas, you watch the fees. Rather than doing shit, I got some girls on me, let's go. Keep checking my thoughts, still putting on my door. I keep checking my horse, saying I'm checking my soul. Yeah, I keep checking my pole, but I'm not checking my shoulder. Niggas they going outside like a hoe, cause they not following rules. No matter in the world where I'm gon' go, I never talk my joke. Sitting in my left right pocket, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. I can make the whole crowd watch this, watch this. I can make your bitch one stop, watch this. I can make your bitch one stop, pop. I ain't even drop no song, still pop. I stay with a whole lot. Sitting in my left right pocket, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this.
Então, a mãe insistiu que eu fizesse um vídeo para voltar. Porque é para ser daquelas memórias, tipo os Açores. Está bem. Então, olha, estamos a voltar do Autódromo Portimão. Hoje é dia 26 de março de 2023. E viemos ver o MotoGP. Ponto número 1. Alta confusão. A mãe deu freak out. Mas foi fixe. E deu para estar todos juntos. E pronto. Comprei aqui uma t-shirtzinha. Provavelmente quando tu estás a ver este vídeo, a mãe já lixou na máquina de lavar roupa. Mas pronto, vamos esperar que não. Tenho aqui a mãe ao meu lado a conduzir 190. Estou a brincar, está mais devagar porque estamos sem gasolina e as bombas estão todas cheias de gás de MotoGP. Está ali o puto atrás, só que ele não me ouve porque está sempre de fones. Puto, diz aí olá. É o que eu disse. Mas pronto.
Está a dormir?
Mentira, olha ali o gajo. Mas pronto, pá, vou compilar isto com uns vídeos de MotoGP, portanto, vocês já viram, ou então vão para ver. Mas pronto, curti bué, e foi alta experiência, a repetir, e fiquem bem. Tens alguma coisa a dizer?